Good evening everyone, this is Sai Kiran. So in the last class we have seen time and distance and all the classes of time and distance. After that we went through races and circular tracks. Now I will be going through one of the important part, that is boats and streams. For sure you are going to have very important, for sure you are going to have at least one question in GATE examination or any competitive examinations, boats and streams. So I'll give you some theory here. So based on that we will be solving. I don't want to go for any formulas or any shortcuts here because you will be confused with the number of speeds we have. So earlier we have only one speed, I mean two speeds, general speed and other was relative speed. So now we will be having four speeds. What I will do now, I will assume that let x is equal to, so whatever I write here, try to copy. Speed of man or boat in still water. Man or boat in still water. So I will take them as P and Q. P equal to speed of man or boat in still water. Q equal to speed of river or current or stream. So whatever you find, all these words are same, speed of river only. Okay. So similarly, I will take x equal to downstream speed. X equal to downstream speed and y is upstream speed. Y equal to upstream speed. See, this x will be p, y we should take like this. I will be explaining you. P plus q, y equal to p minus q. Or else if you ask you p half into x plus y, q equal to half into x minus y. See here, downstream. So for example, if you take downstream speed, it means that man will be going in this direction and river also will go in this direction only. So when man and river are going in the same direction, can I say that suppose you are going in the cycle like this, you are going in the cycle like this with 8 km per hour. Wind also will go in this direction only. Wind also will flow, will be blowing in this direction only with 2 km per hour. What happens? What will be your total speed when wind is blowing in this direction and you are also going in this direction? Wind will push you. Am I correct? Your speed will become 8 plus 2. In the same way, man is going like this and water is also flowing like this. What happens? This water will push him. So this is man's speed, that is P. This is river speed, this is Q. So his speed in downstream, I took it as X. So speed in downstream is nothing but P plus Q because water will push him. So his total speed will be his speed plus water speed. So in downstream, we took it as X, that is equal to P plus Q. In the same way, now water is going opposite to man. So then we will say it as upstream. So what is upstream now? So upstream is nothing but speed of man and river will be opposite. So upstream is speed of man and river will be opposite to each other. So upstream. So this is upstream. Upstream speed is nothing but y. Upstream speed is nothing but y. So this is nothing but man will go like this and river will go like this. So river will be blowing like this. Now what happens? So suppose cycle, you are going in the cycle like this with 8 km per hour. Wind is coming opposite to you like this with 2 km per hour. Now what will happen to your speed? You should overcome this and go forward. Am I correct? Your total speed will become how much? 8 minus 2. In the same way, man will be going like this with 8. That is P. River will be flowing like this with Q. So what happens to his speed now? He should overcome this and go forward. If not, water will take away this fellow. So what is the speed? This is upstream speed, that will be P minus Q. That is the reason why I took P plus Q and P minus Q. Okay. So when man and river are in same direction, then relatives, I mean, man and river are same direction, then the speed of the man will be downstream speed. When man and river are opposite to each other, then it will be upstream speed. Now I will write some points. Based on that, you should identify whether P is given or Q is given or X is given or Y is given. If you are able to identify these four, which is given and which has to be found out, 80% of the question is completed. Generally, people get confused with whether X is given or Y is given or P is given or Q is given. So what I tell is, so you people try to identify which is given. Then, and he will ask one of these terms. So which is given and which is asked, if you are able to tell, then 80% of the question is completed. Then only framing equations like miscellaneous case in time and distance, whether total is given or difference is given or sum is given, times is given, we'll see and we'll solve. Okay. So now coming to this downstream case, he'll be giving like this: speed of man with the stream or along the stream, towards the in the direction of stream. If you find these words, if you find along with the stream, along the stream, towards the stream, in the direction of stream, then it is nothing but downstream speed. For example, we can write it as, speed of a man with the stream is 8 km per hour. Speed of a man with the stream. You found this word, with the stream. If you tell speed of a man, just speed of a man in still water means, then it is P. When you tell speed of a man with the stream, if you find these words, one of these words, then it is X. Okay. Similarly, here. So speed of a man or boat against the stream, opposite to the against the stream, away from the stream. If you find these words, it is nothing but it is against the stream case. So what we will do now, for example, I will give you 1 point. See, the example is nothing but a man can row against the stream at 6 km per hour. So you found this word against the stream. When you find this, it is upstream speed. Okay. So now I'll ask you just few points. See here, you try to tell me what is given and what has to be found out. Okay, I'll write here. So speed of a man with the current. Speed of a man with the current means what is that? It is X. A man can row along the stream at 4 km per hour. Now you found along the stream. So again X is given. Speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Speed of the stream means Q is given. Okay. So a man is moving against the stream at 4 km per hour. So what is against the stream now? Against the stream means Y. So speed of a boat in still water. Speed of a boat in still water is 4 km per hour. So speed of a boat in still water. So speed of a boat in still water means P. Okay. A man is going opposite to the stream at 4 km per hour. Opposite to the stream means Y. So like this, which is given and which has to be found out. If you are able to identify, then question becomes easy for you. The only thing you should remember is that, so these 4 speeds, not 1 speed, we are having 4 speeds now. Okay, those 4 speeds we should be identified. This you remember, and which is given and which has to be found out, you don't know. That's it. Enough. So copy this and then next slide we'll go for problems again. Copy. Copy this also, we'll go to the problems. So this is a basic question. So first solve these two questions. Anyway, first solve this and comment your answer. I'll be giving you again two more questions. You should solve and just see what is given and what has to be found out. Then it will be easy for you. We have only two things, x, y, or else that is upstream speed or downstream speed. Or else whether it is speed of man or boat is still water, speed of river or stream or current. These four things you should find out. One will be asked to find out here. So try to find out that which is given and which has to be found out, you analyze. Simple. So solve and comment your answer. So Meena commented 18. Aditya commented 9. Akshaya commented 9. Pallav Kumar commented B. B, that is 12. The man can row a boat at 15 km per hour with the current, and speed of current is 3 km per hour. Find his speed against the current, he told. Man can row at 15 km per hour with the current. What does it mean? It means that with the current means x is given. X is 15 km per hour. Next, and speed of current is 3 km per hour. Speed of current is 3. So Q equal to 3 km per hour. So find his speed against the current. Speed against the current means what? Y we should find out. Okay. One way is that from this x is equal to p plus q. So you substitute here, you will get 15 is equal to p plus 3. So p equal to 12. So this y is nothing but p minus q. So that is 12 minus 3. So it is y is 9 km per hour. That is one way. Or else directly what we do know, q is given, right? So when q is given, q equal to what for us? Half into x minus y. Half into x minus y. So 3 equal to half into 15 minus y. So from this y equal to 9 km per hour. Okay. Simple question. Which is given and which has to be found out, you note down, that's enough. Next, you solve this and comment your answer. The speed of a boat in still water is 12 km per hour. So speed of a boat in still water means P is 12. And its speed against the current is 8.5 km per hour. Speed against the current means y. So that is 8.5. Find the speed of boat with the current. Speed of boat with the current means x. This we should find out. Okay. From this we can say that p minus q is y. Find out q value and then substitute p plus q. You will get that answer. Or else from this directly I will say that p equal to half into x plus y. Okay. So now this is 12 is equal to half into x plus 8.5. So this will be 24 minus 8.5. That is how much? It will be a 15.5. So x is equal to 15.5 km per hour. Simple question. Next. A boat running downstream covers a distance of 24 kilometers in 4 hours. While covering the distance upstream, it takes 6 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water, he told. See now downstream and upstream. So distance here is 24 kilometers and here also it is 24 kilometers. Observe carefully. So he is going 24 kilometers and he is coming back 24 kilometers. From now all the questions which I give are gate questions only. Okay. So for covering 24 kilometers downstream it is taking 4 hours. Time. Now here it is taking how many hours? 6 hours. 6 hours. So what is the speed of boat in still water? Speed of boat in still water means which we should find out? P I should find out. Speed of boat in still water. So now from this is distance and this is time. So what is speed for us? Speed equal to distance by time. So if it is time and distance, no problem. I'll take away distance by time. I have only one speed. Now this is boats and streams. So we'll be having how many speeds? 4 speeds totally. One is speed of a boat in still water, speed of river or current, speed of man or boat with the stream, I mean downstream speed, speed of man or boat against the stream, that is upstream speed. So now this is downstream distance, downstream time. So you will get x is equal to speed equal to nothing but x is equal to 24 by 4. Always remember, in boats and streams, when you take distance by time, you will always get either x or y. Okay. In the same way here also, s is equal to y, that is 24 by 6. Okay. So this is how much? 6 km per hour. This is 4 km per hour. So what should we find out? P. P is nothing but half into x plus y. So what is half into x plus y? Half into 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4, that is 10 km per hour. Sorry, 5 km per hour. Yeah. For understanding purpose, I wrote everything. Directly you should come to this. Okay, when you solve in the question, examination, you should directly come to this. This was 1 mark question. So always remember, when you take distance by time in boats and streams, you will always get either x or y. Upstream speed or downstream speed. Next. You solve this now. Solve this and comment. Similar model question. You solve this and comment. Solve this and comment. Everyone should comment your answers. The man can row downstream 35 kilometers and upstream 15 kilometers, taking 5 hours each time. So what is the speed of current? Speed of current means what? Q. Q equal to half into x minus y. So this is half into what is the distance? 35 by. So downstream time is how much? So both times he is taking 5 hours minus upstream how many kilometers? 15 kilometers by 5 hours. Okay, directly I am substituting downstream distance by downstream time is nothing but x. Upstream distance by upstream time is nothing but y. So this is half into 7 minus 3. So this is 2 km per hour. That's it. Simple. Hope you have learned something today. If you like the lecture, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section. For complete lectures of mine, enroll in OCTEMY. Thank you. Let's catch up in OCTEMY.